वेलकम गाइस, दिस इज़ हरियर आपके लिए लेके आया है छोटा सा नन्हा सा प्यारा सा प्रोजेक्ट जो कि रिएक्ट जेस से करेंगे हम। सर्च बार में जाते हैं, फिर सर्च करेंगे CMD, तो देन गो कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, क्लिक डबल क्लिक, then go to command prompt. So you want to anywhere C drive or D drive. So I want to go to D drive. So write a D colon and enter. So then write command name npx create react app, then your app name, that is your choice. What is your app name or web name? So write there, and then it will be continue to install modules, package and any other things, that is package. Many packages are download installing. So now continuing, then here see that npm start, npm run build, so that is build for building, npm test for testing, and npm run eject, that is removes these tools and copies build dependencies, configuration files and scripts into the app directory, that is the eject process. And here cd my new app and npm start. Npm start is for output, showing output in Visual Studio. So then we go to search bar, then search VS Code, then Visual Studio open, then open, then in this Visual Studio we go to open folder, then we have D drive. In that our project there, my project name my new app, so click on that and open, click on that, then open. It will be open in the Visual Studio Code. Then here you know here node modules are there and publics, many things are there. Node modules, there are many node modules, installs, see, and again then you see the modules, then public, here public favicon, index HTML, logos, here see index HTML, many things are. This is the main things, that is index HTML, then logo, manifest.json, this is manifest which are used in React, that is already installed. Then package log.json, here package JSON part, that is log.json means already predefined and already libraries are there. Package of JSON, here we install anything new things that installed in there, this package.json, and also src file are there. In src file, this is src file, src folder, sorry, there many files are there. app.js, this is main our project, that is here we, then we go to terminal, new terminal, go to new terminal, click on that, then here you write npm start, that is go to you redirect your web browser and npm start, then enter, and it will be go to your browser, it will show the output of the React project. So here so see that your browser, that is React project, this is your output. So we go VS Code and we write something, some others. So here we write, here also app.css also there, that is design part for app.js, design part there, and index HTML, index.js and index.css also there. This is also main part of calling the app, here call the app, so it will be showing output. Index.css, this is also design. App.js, here we write something, So we create another paragraph right there. Paragraph. So p tag on that. In that I write I am Harihar. Let's magic. So we see that output. Let's magic. So we saw here right. Hi, I am Harihar. Let's magic. So this is output. Thank you. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe the channels and the notification. For the notification, click the bell icon. So